Action.
Hey guys, this is another episode 3, season 1, and we're learning all about my dog Nyx. I bet you heard about him last episode. It's the same day, May 27th, 2018, Sunday. Here's Nyx in his doghouse, in his cage, his large cage. Nyx is a silver German shepherd / husky, and he is usually kind of cool.
Yeah, and now he tried to bury his dinosaur, you can see.
You should have to look at that.
Talk about his eyes. He has unusual eyes, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Tell us about his eyes.
He has one
He's
white
half husky,
eye
half
and one
trans.
brown eye.
One blue eye and one brown eye.
That's
So-
usually unusual. I have turquoise eyes. He has blue. And Nona, who is holding the camera, has
Green.
green.
Hazel.
Hazel, whatever.
So,
this is our perfect video. We're still dressed in our stuff because we started our video on the
I had to
same
get a
day.
tank top on because I had band practice. I was the drummer, and it's still set up in there. Maybe next episode you guys should see it.
yeah. That'd be a good idea.
Yeah, maybe after this one.
Tell us what Nyx likes to play.
Nyx likes to play chase. When we run, he gets excited that should I even say it?
What?
He poops.
He gets so excited he does that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can see that hose is putting too much water in his water bottle.
And it's overflowing and make a mud pool.
Yeah,
Oh,
probably.
Nyx has dirty paws.
And also
Ooh.
is
Whoa, yeah.
He just showed us his dirty paws, didn't he? Thank you, Nyx.
Yeah, very dirty paws. My tank top fits perfectly. I think my dad got this for me.
I think he did.
And here's our roly poly.
Does it say
from last time.
Floribama? Does it say Floribama?
It says Saltwater Paradise, Pensacola Beach, Florida, which is where Daddy went.
Cool. Floribama.
But they went to Floribama, yes.
So you can see he's rolled up right now.
He's rolled up. He's hiding, isn't he?
So
That's why they call him Roly Polies.
Yes.
And see us next episode for my drum set.
It's right inside there.
Yeah, it's
Maybe you can take a sneak peek with it.
So we're also
We're
doing
gonna
that
show
video.
you a
And
sneak.
we're also doing that video today.
Yes.
Yep.
All right. The only way we
Video
could do a
today.
sneak peek is if we can.
Okay.
I can get the camera to look through the
Hope
window.
we see you again. Now bye.
Wait, I'm going to do a sneak peek of the drums, maybe.
Yep.
So let's do a sneak peek of the drum.
And Nona, don't forget to put all the episodes on.
Here we go.
I will.
We're going to
Okay.
take a sneak peek of the drum.
And next episode, Nona will be here 4th of July.
Yep. It's locked. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Where's the drums at?
Oh, there it is. My baby brother's on the drums.
So that's,
I'm gonna go get my drums.
and now the roly poly is exactly like it's the same. So we're taking it.
All right. Tell everybody bye.